From prickly pear-lined deserts to pine-scented forests, get ready to be transported in the utmost luxury by Unity from Leisure Travel Vans. Many people dream of being able to achieve such elegance and refined taste in their travels. But with limited supply, only a select few are able to truly appreciate what a Unity motorhome can offer. Built on the industry-leading Mercedes Sprinter chassis, Unity comes equipped with today's most technologically sophisticated driving aids and artificial intelligence. You will find it difficult to discern that you are driving a small motorhome. From the in-dash MBUX screen that can be controlled by voice and steering wheel commands, to lane assist and crosswinds navigation, the Unity is prepared to take you where you want to travel. Leisure Travel builds out the cockpit with heated swivel seats covered in silky soft ultra leather. In the 24CB plan, the main cabin is not only spacious, but every inch of space has been utilized for comforts, storage, and functionality. Set the mood with lighting controls that can dim or brighten the area, or simply keep the accent lighting on around the ceiling. Designer touches throughout give this a modern feel, from the easy-to-maintain vinyl flooring to the wrapped window valances. Entertainment comes in many forms, including the TV in the bed area, as well as a TV in the living area that is augmented with a JBL soundbar and Blu-ray player. Preparing nutritious meals is a pleasure with a 2-burner cooktop, rounded stainless sink, flanked by Corian countertops, plus a 6.7 cubic foot Dometic refrigerator with freezer, convection microwave, and pull-out pantry. Unity features a wealth of abundant maple cabinetry with curved door fronts. Inside, there are numerous ways to divide the space, creating a customized space for your needs and items. Cabinet drawers feature full extension ball bearing glides, allowing for maximum access to the contents. The Unity 24CB features a spacious bathroom that is complete with shower and skylight, vanity, and toilet. MCD-style roller shades provide both day and privacy functions. An optional built-in safe allows for valuables to be locked down and hidden away. For additional sleeping when there's visitors, the booth dinette converts to a sleeping area for up to 2 more. Powering all electric devices comes through the 30-amp shore power or an optional 3.6 kilowatt generator that comes complete with auto start. Rounding out exterior features include a rear camera, a 5,000-pound hitch, optional aluminum wheels, an optional in-motion satellite TV dish, and an optional 400-watt solar panel array. Top-of-the-line features: space planning, functionality, technology. Unity represents a complete package that is stylish, sophisticated, and fun to drive. Isn't it time you stepped up to this level of quality and sophistication? Let the Mesa RV show you the floor plan choices available in Unity, built exclusively by Leisure Travel. When you think RV, think La Mesa RV.